Hello friends, welcome to Yoga Kaya. Today I will tell you some asanas to fight with migraine attack. Migraine is a neurological disorder which is responsible for moderate or acute headache. Attack of migraine may last from 2 hours to couple of days. During migraine attack, sufferer may also face vomiting. Acute pain of migraine disturbs social and personal life of the sufferer. During migraine, the headache occurs only at one side of the head, so it is also known as head splitting ache. There are some asanas to fight with migraine. By practicing these asanas, one may reduce the frequency of migraine attacks. And by continuous practicing these asanas, he may get rid of migraine. I will tell you 8 asanas to fight with migraines in 4 sessions. Today in the first session, I will tell you 2 asanas. One is Padhastasana and another one is Setubandha Asana. Now let us start with Padhastasana. Stand straight, keeping distance of 2 inches between your feet and arms alongside of body. Inhale deeply and raise your hands overhead. And now stretch your hands upwards, palm facing the sky. Now exhale slowly and bend forward from your hips and try to touch the ground by your palms or your fingers as you can. Keep your legs erect. Remain in this position up to 20 to 30 seconds. Keep breathing deeply. Now inhale and stretch your hands forwards and up. Slowly come to standing position. Now repeat the same again. Stand straight. Inhale deeply. Raise your hands above your head. Stretch upwards. Now exhale slowly. Bend forward. Touch the ground by your fingers or palms. Hold the position up to 30 seconds. Inhale, hands up and come to the standing position again. This was Hastpadasana or standing forward bend. This asana invigorates the nervous system by increasing blood supply to the brain and increasing flow of energy to the nerves. Hence, it is useful to cure the migraine. This asana may be done 3 to 5 times in one cycle. Gradually, it may be increased. Now, let us start the second asana, Setubandha Asana or bridge pose. Let us start. Lie down flat on your back. Gently bend your knees and place your feet on the ground near hips. Knees should be in line with your ankle and soles of feet. Hold the ankles of both your legs with both your hands. Now start. Inhale deeply. Lift your hips and waist upwards as much as you can. Try to touch your chin with your chest. Hold the position and keep breathing. Shoulder, neck and hand will remain touching the ground. Lay flat on your back again. Now repeat the same. This was Setubandha Asana or bridge pose. This asana calms the brain and reduces anxiety. In the second session of this series, I will tell you Marjanasana, also known as cat stretch, and Shishu Asana or child pose. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you very much.